E-waste. Electronic waste is hazardous in nature as it contains toxic metals such as lead, beryllium, mercury, and cadmium, which are non-biodegradable. They accumulate in soil for long periods of time, affecting human health and soil microorganisms directly as well as indirectly. Burning and landfilling of e-waste is dangerous for the surrounding environment. Biomedical waste. Biomedical waste is infectious waste like pathogens, human body parts, solid waste cotton, laboratory waste, and medicines cause serious diseases. Mostly they are viral infections, allergic, and skin diseases. Plastic waste. Due to light weight and minimum cost, plastic is used widely. However, its irresponsible disposal ends up in choking of sewer lines. Its decomposition process is extremely slow, while burning it produces toxic gases and dumping it kills soil microorganisms. Industrial waste. This waste is toxic and hazardous in nature, causing both air and water pollution. Common methods of solid waste management. Today, most municipal corporations and municipalities have adopted a door-to-door program for collection of household waste. The waste collectors go through localities and collect waste in a wheelbarrow. Landfill. Collected solid waste is dumped in an outside area. It is a traditional technique for municipal solid waste disposal and is a very common practice found in many cities of India. A landfill is a system designed and constructed to dispose discarded waste. In this, traditional methods of solid waste disposal are carried out by open dumping and landfilling method. However, this method can cause leaching and groundwater contamination if the landfills are not constructed properly. Disposal in sea. In case of coastal cities like Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai, solid waste is disposed in the sea after separating hazardous material through deep well injection system. The hazardous waste gets embedded in the deep seabed. It affects the aquatic systems. Stages of improper solid waste management. 1. Waste separation and segregation. Separation of wet and dry solid waste is very important. If wet and dry garbage are mixed together and disposed of, it doesn't decompose and creates problem at management level. 2. Improper handling and transportation. Transportation is an important part of waste management. Since people are unaware that waste can be reused and recycled, the waste is not handled properly. Very few skilled operators are available for managing waste. If the waste disposal sites are near water bodies like river, lakes, wells, stream, seashores, etc., chances of leachate and contamination increases, leading to water pollution. Scientific method or eco-friendly methods of solid waste management. Solid waste management is to minimize the adverse environmental effects and social health problems associated with disposal of solid waste. However, waste can be converted into useful products by making use of appropriate processing technology. 1. Waste separation or segregation. It is very important to separate waste into dry and wet waste. House-to-house collection of waste should be mandatory. 2. Compositing. You can decompose waste such as leftover food, kitchen waste, peels of vegetable waste and fruit and garden waste in your backyard, garden, terrace, or in a small pit. This can give better quality of manure for your garden. 3. Vermicomposition. This is very easy method for fast decomposition of solid waste with the help of earthworms, especially species like E. fotida, E. Uglish earthworm. Through earthworms, waste is degraded or decomposed in very few days. The quality of such manure is highly nutritious for agricultural purpose. Earthworm composition is an able technique for converting the solid waste into compost or manure. Procedure of vermicomposition. You can make your own vermicomposition project in your backyard, terrace, or open space by using bucket, 2x1, 5x2 feet, or a thick plastic bag. Take 5 kg of domestic waste, 100 grams of earthworm, 1 kg cow dung, and 1 kg coconut thresh. Base should be made of coconut thresh. The next layer will be of cow dung, and the upper layer of garbage. Put all your earthworms in it. Keep the layers moist. Check manure quantity after 15 days. Use this manure for your garden and observe the growth of plants. 4. Secured landfill. Landfills for waste disposal should be 2 kilometers away from water bodies, human settlements, and highways. Site should not come under forest zone or ecological sensitive zones. This method is best in solid waste management. Landfilling of mixed waste should be avoided. In secured landfilling process, clay and plastic liners are placed in landfills before waste is dumped. This prevents leaching of waste. 5. Pyrolysis. This is another scientific method of solid waste management where the waste is heated to a high temperature. This process is beneficial for obtaining gas and electricity. Generally, semi-combustible waste is put in pyrolysis. This method is suitable for municipal solid waste management.